Hey folks, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the personal details of your favorite WWE female superstars. From the legendary divas to the rising stars, we will be sharing their dates of birth, where they were born, and how old they are right now. It's going to be an exciting ride, so stick around and let's jump right into it. Number 1. Brie Bella. Brie Bella, whose real name is Brianna Monique Danielson, was born on November 21, 1983 in San Diego, California, United States. As of 2025, she is 41 years old. Number 2. AJ Lee. AJ Lee, born April Janet Mendes, entered this world on March 19, 1987 in Union City, New Jersey, United States. As of 2025, AJ Lee is 38 years old. Number 3. Mickie James. Mickie James, whose full name is Mickie Larry James, was born on August 31, 1979 in Richmond, Virginia, United States. At present, she is 45 years old. Number 4. Alexa Bliss. Known professionally as Alexa Bliss, her real name is Alexis Kaufman. She was born on August 9, 1991 in Columbus, Ohio, United States. In 2025, Alexa Bliss is 33 years of age. Number 5. Liv Morgan. Liv Morgan, born Gianna Giandadio, came into the world on June 8, 1994 in Morristown, New Jersey, United States. As of today, Liv Morgan is 30 years old. Number 6. Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley, whose real name is Tammy Bennett, was born on October 11, 1996 in Adelaide, Australia. She is currently 28 years old. Number 7. Maryse. Born Maryse Mizanin on January 21, 1983 in Montreal, Canada. Maryse is 42 years old as of 2025. Number 8. Lita. Lita, whose real name is Amy Christine Dumas, was born on April 14, 1975 in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States. As of 2025, Lita is 49 years of age. Number 9. Bianca Belair. The powerhouse Bianca Belair, also known as Bianca Nicole Belair, was born on April 9, 1989 in Knoxville, Tennessee, United States. At present, Bianca Belair is 35 years old. Number 10. Nia Jax. Nia Jax, whose real name is Savelina Fannin, was born on May 29, 1984 in Sydney, Australia. In 2025, Nia Jax's age is 40. Number 11. Charlotte Flair. Charlotte Flair, born Ashley Elizabeth Flair on April 5, 1986 in Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. Now Charlotte is 39 years old. Number 12. Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch, whose full name is Rebecca Coyne, was born on January 30, 1987 in Limerick, Ireland. As of today, Becky Lynch is 38 years old. Number 13. Paige. Paige, born Saraya Chet Pavis on August 17, 1992 in Norwich, United Kingdom, has reached the age of 32 in 2025. Number 14. Indy Hartwell. Indy Hartwell, whose real name is Samantha DeMartin, was born on August 17, 1996 in Melbourne, Australia. Currently, Indy Hartwell is 28 years old. Number 15. Naomi. Naomi, born Trinity Lashman Fatu on November 30, 1987 in Sanford, Florida, United States, is 37 years old in 2025. Number 16. Ronda Rousey. Ronda Rousey, also known as Ronda Chain Rousey, was born on February 1, 1987 in Riverside, California, United States. At present, Ronda Rousey is 38 years old. Number 17. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks, whose full name is Mercedes Justin Casnovernado, was born on January 26, 1992 in Fairfield, California, United States. In 2025, Sasha Banks is 33 years old. Number 18. Bailey. Bailey, born Pamela Rose Martinez on June 15, 1989 in San Jose, California, United States, has reached the age of 35 in 2025. Number 19. Carmella. Carmella, whose real name is Leah Vantel, was born on October 23, 1987 in Spencer, Massachusetts, United States. As of 2025, Carmella is 37 years old. Number 20. Callie Kelly. Callie Kelly born Barbara Jean Plank on January 15, 1987 in Jacksonville, Florida, United States. She is 38 years old today. Number 21. Nikki Cross. Nikki Cross, whose real name is Nicola Clint Cross, was born on April 21, 1989 in Glasgow, United Kingdom. As of today, Nikki Cross is 35 years old. Number 22. Lala. Lala born Lala L on June 25, 1977 in London, United Kingdom. Lala is 47 in 2025. Number 23. Trish Stratus. Trish Stratus, whose real name is Patricia Ann Strategius, was born on December 18, 1975 in the Greater Toronto Area, Canada. As of 2025, Trish Stratus is 49 years old. Number 24. Stephanie McMahon. Stephanie McMahon born Stephanie Mary McMahon on September 24, 1976 in Hartford, Connecticut, United States, is currently 48 years old. Number 25. Nikki Bella. Nikki Bella, whose real name is Stephanie Nicole Garcia Colas, was born on November 21, 1983 in San Diego, California, United States. As of today, Nikki Bella is 41 years old. Number 26. Maxine Dupree. Maxine Dupree born Sydney Jenny Summersell on May 19, 1997 in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. She is 27 years old in 2025. Number 27. Natalia. Natalia born Natalie Catherine Neidhart on May 27, 1982 in Calgary, Canada. Natalia is 42 years old as of today. Number 28. Shanna Passler. Shanna Passler, whose full name is Shanna Andrea Passler, was born on August 8, 1980 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, United States. As of 2025, Shanna Passler is 44 years old. Number 29. Selena Vega. Selena Vega born Thea Megan, Trinidad on December 27, 1990 in Queens, New York, United States. Currently, she is 34 years old. Number 30. Roseanne Paris. Roseanne Paris, whose real name is Carla Gonzalez, was born on November 5, 2001 in Laredo, Texas, United States. As of 2025, Roseanne Paris is 33 years old. That's it for today's video on your favorite WWE female superstars, their birth dates, birthplaces and ages. Don't forget to like and subscribe Wrestle Series Comparison and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.